Alright guys, so I make you a huge, giant, ugly slime.
See, look at this hair. Ew, is that your hair, Kingston?
No, that's Dad's hair.
This is the most craziest slime I've ever made in my entire life, guys.
Honest, both of your slime looks ugly to me.
What?
Very bad, very bad.
Janice and I'm Kingston. And today we're doing the turn this giant ugly slime into a pretty slime challenge. Yeah.
Alright guys, so I make you a huge, giant, ugly slime.
Oh my god.
You guys ready to see it?
Yeah!
Boom!
Oh my gosh, guys! Look at this slime! That's humongous! I know! Oh my gosh, guys!
It's bigger than your head.
I know! Look at Doesn't that look so disgusting?
It's falling down now. It's gonna be a waterfall. Ooh.
Wow, look at that texture, guys. I did an amazing job, right?
No! Horrible. This
Yeah.
looks so ugly. Ew, feel it, Kingston. Ew! Why is there so much color?
Yeah, and there's hair in it too. I feel hair.
See, look at this hair. Ew! Is that your hair, Kingston?
No, that's Dad's hair.
No, it's mommy's hair.
Really? Mom came in.
Not my hair.
Really? I thought you said
Yeah.
you make the slime.
So that's suspicious.
Alright guys, so now your job is to fix this slime into a pretty slime. Alright?
Alright. But before we get, we have a 5-second subscribe button. We want to see if you can smash the subscribe button in 5 seconds. You ready? Here you go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done! Did you subscribe? If you didn't, make sure to do it now. Alright guys, to fix a giant ugly slime, I'm gonna turn it into a lollipop slime. Beautiful and creative. So, we're gonna get some pink and blue paint because they're awesome colors and they're the best lollipop flavors ever. And next, let's go down over here and let's get some glitters and sprinkles. So first let's get spearmint blue. It's so shiny, guys. I love it. And we also will get some neon pink, my favorite. And let's get some sprinkles as well. So let's get sprinkles. There's all different types of shapes and sizes. And last, I'm gonna get rainbow foam balls. Alright guys, I got all the supplies I need. Let's go. Alright guys, so my slime is going to be a sun-themed slime. It's gonna be super yellow, super neon. So first of all, I need some yellow and some white clay. And I also obviously need some orange food coloring. Next up is some neon lemon, which is yellow, and neon orange. So it's gonna be very neon and bright and metallic. Okay guys, I have all my ingredients. Let's go back to the station! Alright guys, we got our ingredients and I'm so ready to fix this slime. Not Kingston, right? He's so lazy. He doesn't even want to do this.
I'm gonna make this slime as best as possible. I'm gonna win the challenge. I'm gonna win.
Alright, let's hear about that.
I'm gonna beat you. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna beat you.
Alright, let's go. Let's do this.
Gimme.
Woo! Okay, I think this much is good.
Yeah, this much is
Maybe
good.
this much.
Okay, now I'm gonna split it into 2 equal parts. So this big one is the yellow, and this small one is the orange. So I'm gonna add a lot of white clay. I'm gonna add like the whole thing.
Alright, Janice, what about you?
Alright guys, so I'm gonna add my blue paint to make the lollipop flavor.
You're gonna add the whole bottle again,
Yeah,
right?
obviously.
Yeah.
Look at this. 3, 2, 1.
Wow! Woohoo! Yay!
Look at that. Beautiful, right? yeah, let's mix it now.
Woohoo! Wow!
So pretty. No way, guys.
Alright guys, after adding tons of clay, I successfully made
Whoa.
white
Nicely
slime.
done, Kingston. Wow.
Yeah, thank you.
So what's next?
Okay, so next is to add some yellow clay to make it yellow. Okay, I'm gonna add this much, and now I'm gonna mix it to make it very yellowish.
All right,
yeah.
Janice, what about you?
Alright guys, so I finished my blue slime. It's really, really stretchy and it's a very neon blue, as you can see. It's very pokeable. But now let's do the other flavors. So I have this slime over here. I'm gonna put some pink in it, neon pink as well. So I'm just gonna add a lot, yes, a lot, because it took a lot of effort and paint to put the blue one in. So let's add this much and let's mix it. That's so pretty! I love pink, guys. Do you see that? Yes! My slime's gonna be so beautiful, guys.
Alright, so I finished my yellow slime, and now I'm moving on to the second part of the slime, which is gonna be orange. So let me add some orange food coloring. Yes, I love orange food coloring. Now let's mix it. Oh yes, look at that color, guys. That looks so vibrant. Yes, and this is gonna be great.
Alright guys, so I finished my two slimes. Here they are. They're so neon, guys. Look at that. Beautiful color. It's so clicky and it's so stretchy. So now I'm going to do the stick of the lollipop. So let's set these aside and let's do this. So this is the color that is already original made. So I don't need to change the color at all. So now let's build that lollipop. So I want it to be a swirl. So first I'm gonna make the long line that goes really, really far. So I'm gonna roll it like this, and then I'm just gonna swirl it. I'm gonna try to leave out some parts and do this. Okay. Now how am I supposed to do this? Okay, I think I'm gonna swirl it like this, and then I keep on going and going. I guess that's what it means. Okay, I should roll this first and then I should make the pattern. So I'll find the right pattern. This is right, guys. This is right. This is beautiful. Okay, so this is the lollipop base, I think. So let's make it into a more circular part, like this. Because lollipops are like ombre-ish, right? So that's cool. Like this. Like almost like a galaxy lollipop. Yeah, a galaxy lollipop. And now let's make the line thing, the stick. Yeah, the stick. So it's gonna be a long one, guys. So it's gonna be like this, and then let's make it like flat, like this. All right, guys, look at that. It's the galaxy lollipop. A galaxy lollipop. Woo, woo, woo. Okay, now let's do the glitter. So I'm just gonna make like a swirl. So I'm gonna use this part. I'm gonna make a swirl. That's so pretty. What? Oh my gosh, guys. It's like a glitter volcano. No way. Next, let's add the pink, the neon pink. That's such a pretty pink, guys. Whoa! Isn't that so pretty? No way, when I spread it, it's so neon. Okay, I'm gonna keep on doing this, and let's add more pink here. Oh my gosh, this is the most craziest slime I've ever made in my entire life, guys. Look at this. That's so cool. Whoa! All right, let's fill in this. Oh yeah, that's so pretty. And now let's add the sprinkles on top. Look at this. Now I'm gonna add some stars as well. Some beautiful stars. Okay? And then, the last but not least, foam beads. Alright, just sprinkle some. Alright guys, this is my finished product. It's so pretty guys, so nice. It's a Lollipop Galaxy slime. Alright.
Alright, Janice, so I'm gonna judge your slime first.
Alright.
Wow, I like the color. Look at that. Wow, you got pink, you got blue color, you got rainbow foam beans. Wow, so shiny. I love the color. However, I don't think it looks like a lollipop.
What? Why?
It just looks like a circle with a lot of color and a long stick with it. So 0 points for prettiness, Janice. Okay, show me some ASMR.
Alright, here's some ASMR. That's so much. I hear sizzles.
Wow, amazing. Alright, I'll give you 1 point for the texture. Nicely done.
Wait.
Janice.
Look at this.
Woo!
Do you see that?
Woo!
No.
Another point for creativity. Janice, so you got 2 points. Alright, Kingston, let me see your slime.
Okay, so I'm just gonna add this much white clay to the orange slime because I want it to be very, very buttery too, just like the yellow slime. Okay, now it's time for the finishing touches. Okay, so now we got this little yellow circle.
What is that for?
Oh,
What
that's
do you mean little yellow circle?
Oh, that's for the center of the sun.
Okay.
We're gonna split this into maybe 6 equal parts, and we're gonna put it against the sun, just like that. It's gonna look amazing, Dad. Trust me.
I don't see anything amazing about your slime.
Well,
It's only a yellow circle, normal slime.
I think it's gonna look really, really cool when we finish. Stop it, Janice. Stop it, Janice. You're so annoying. No one likes that. And for the finishing one, there we go.
What?
That's so
That looks like a turtle to me. Like this is the head of the turtle.
Turtle?
With 4 legs.
With 4 legs? No.
This is not a sun slime.
No, I'm gonna make it a sun slime in like a flash.
Show me.
Add some glitter. It's gonna make it very vibrant. Oh yeah. And now let's add some orange glitter. Yeah, this is looking pretty glittery right now. Very
It looks
neon.
amazing. All right, show me some ASMR.
Yay! Okay,
Kingston.
ASMR time. Be quiet. What is that horrible sound? Janice, please stop. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah! Look at that! Let me do a slime swirl. It's gonna be amazing. Oh, it's gonna be a combination of yellow and orange. 3,
I don't even see the
2,
difference.
1. Oh, look at
Not
that!
bad, not bad. But
What
to
do
be
you mean not bad?
honest, both of your slime looks ugly to me.
What?
Very bad, very bad. And I don't know who to pick.
Do you see this?
I don't know who to pick.
You haven't even judged
So,
my slime.
alright, whoever make a slime bubble wins this challenge, alright?
Okay.
Made it.
Not bad.
Okay, let's
Kingston,
see if mine's
3,
pretty.
2, 1, go. Okay, Kingston wins the challenge.
I win the challenge. It has been confirmed. Janice, you lose the challenge. You lose the challenge. No. It's because I made a bigger slime bubble. Look, I bet I can make an even bigger slime bubble now.
Look at that. Haha, Kingston.
Whatever, but
Make sure to comment down below whose slime do you like better, even though Kingston's the winner. Hashtag Team Janice
or hashtag Team Kingston, aka the sun slime is amazing.
aka the vibrant, aka the galaxy lollipop. So that's that 100th video. If you never heard, say like, subscribe, and turn that notification bell. We'll see you all next time. Bye.
Thanks for watching, everybody. We hope you liked it.
If you haven't subscribed yet, Please click on the icon on the right and a little theme will pop up and you get to subscribe.
Click on one of the pictures to see more fun videos.
Remember to like and share.